Hi everyone, my name is Sander Mak and welcome to my course What's New in Java 14. I'm a Java champion and author of the Alrighty book Java 9 Modularity. I've been deeply involved in the Java platform for over a decade now. It's that time of the year again. The first major Java release in 2020 is Java 14. This release contains changes to the language, APIs and the JVM itself. At the language level, Java 14 introduces a feature called switch expressions. By using switch expressions, a lot of typical switch statements that you see in existing Java code will be much easier to write and understand. There are also many preview features in Java 14, clearly showing where Java is headed. We'll look at the following preview features: pattern matching, allowing you to easily match against types in Java; text blocks, a feature to handle multi-line strings in Java source code; JPackage, a tool to create native installers and packages for your Java applications; and records, a lightweight way to define data classes in Java. Besides these bigger features, we'll also look at API changes and changes to the JVM. Through this course, you'll get an overview of all the important changes that are part of Java 14. This course assumes you have experience writing applications using earlier versions of Java. After finishing this course, you should feel comfortable using Java 14 in your day-to-day Java development work. I hope you'll join me on this journey to get up to speed with the latest and greatest developments in Java with the What's New in Java 14 course, here at Pluralsight.